congrats on the win. Just talk about this Gutsy win coming back from after 16-0 run ng Converge and injuries ng consider sa Gutsy win.
Well, you hardly hear me talk about character in post-game interviews because for me, character is what's within and we don't have to talk about it to demonstrate it. But I thought tonight was definitely a gutsy character win. We could have folded so many times. Like you said, when they got 16, 17 point lead right off the bat, we could have folded when we lost Jordan and then when we lost Roger. But still, the guys continued playing. Nakita naman, ang lalim na ng bakol na hinatak ko si Tyrus Hill, sila Paul Barilla. But they contributed. Allowed this guy beside me to come up with his game heroics. But I thought the defense of Sean Kitevis and the defense of Kim Ong-rin on Mikey Williams in the fourth quarter was crucial. And I thought Henry Garinato played an excellent game. So overall, we don't know the state of our health, but it's a great win to have. Sa golf game ko kanina, ang dami kong putt, di ko ma-shoot eh. Sabi ko, okay lang mag-miss ako kasi mga player ko mamaya makashoot. Hindi naman, praise God.
Ano lang yung game winning shot, pakita nga ni coach na depleted kayo, daming injuries, but talagang nag-step up na kanina.
Next man up lang, yun yung character ko sa game na to and sa team namin. Kasi injured na si Jordan, injured pa si Roger. So wala nang ibang kailangan ko step up din. Yung nasa loob na lang ng court. So isa na ako dun. And syempre, as one of the leaders sa team na to, kailangan ko ipakita sa mga teammates ko na even though kulang-kulang tayo, lalaban pa rin tayo hanggang may pyesa.
Coach, ano lang, visibly upset ka sa officiating kanina. Masasabi mo,
Tanong dyan, mapapain na naman. Next question. Move on na tayo, move on.
Sa panalo.
Pero mas update kay Jordan and Fox.
Hopefully it's not serious, but the fact that hindi sila makalaro doesn't bode well. Ano na lang, wala tayong magagawa kundi dasal and our PTs are going to work on it right after the game. So we don't know. I'll find out when we get to the dugout now after this.
Coach, good evening. Coach, you played I think 3 minutes without an import. So that does not say na guys wouldn't be back for your next game or may replacement.
Panalo kami, ba't kami magpapala? Ang mga tanong yan. That's still up in the air. We're definitely considering it. But yeah, Darius is not the Darius days that we had a couple of years back. He's completely out of shape, overweight, and I think it shows in his game, and obviously it's affecting the game of the locals. But to be very honest, we have to make a decision on that pretty soon.
Coach, ano ba? We would have been 3 game losing streak sana if you failed to win this one. So ano ba, parang gumana ba yung kahit pa paano yung
Well, the other way to look at it, pwede ka sanang back-to-back kami, overtime, dapat na kami ng 6 points ng last game, di ba? But then, ganun din, natira kami na 4 na 3 points ng Terra Firma in the end game. Same thing tonight. It was just every time we take a lead, they hit a 4-point shot, 3-point shot na counted. So, just weather that storm sa amin. As long as we always say it in our team, all we can do is execute. Whatever happens, we have really no control over the outcome. All we can do is just execute.
Very good evening. Okay, twice ka nang nag-best player of the game na panalo kayo, does that mean na yung balik na yung kumpiyansa mo sa Tigala?
Actually, hindi naman nawala yung confidence ko. It's just that na I just put too much pressure on myself talaga na to the point na naligaw na yung laro ko. Pero to be honest, hindi naman talaga nawala. But good thing, I learned so much from the last conference na sabi nga ni Coach Jot sa huddle namin before the start of the game na just enjoy the game, basketball lang to. So yun yung talagang naging realization ko na at the end of the day, it's just basketball. You just have to enjoy it and be free and be fearless. At ayun naman, sa awa ng Diyos, nag-translate naman dito sa mga couple of games naman.
Okay, no more. Thank you, Coach.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you guys!